Good morning, student. In last video we have completed the physical property of amines as well as the some part of the chemical property like the basicity of the aliphatic amines and the trend of the basicity in terms of the primary, secondary and tertiary amines. Today we will discuss about the basicity of the aromatic amines as well as the factor affecting the basicity of the amines at the different positions of the ortho meta para. So, before going to the brief discussions about the basicity of the aromatic aromatic amines, we will discuss about the difference in the basicity of aliphatic amines, aromatic amines, and the basicity difference between amines and the ammonia and the anilines. So, as we know that as the electron donor group present at the nitrogen atom, which can easily donate the lone pair of electron to an electron deficient species and show their basicity. So basicity depends upon the donation tendency of a lone pair of electron to an electron deficient species. And the nitrogen which is in the positions to donate lone pair of electron in case having the electron donor group is present are the greater electron density. So as the electron donor group present at the nitrogen which provide the electron at the nitrogen center, and nitrogen can very easily donate the lone pair of electron and show their basicity. So one thing is clear that the aliphatic amines as well ammonia are the stronger base as compared to the aromatic amines or anilines. So let us we will discuss about the difference in the basicity are the aliphatic amine and the aromatic amines. So you know that in case of the aromatic amines, just like basicity of aromatic amines, you will see here through the resonance structures of aniline, this is NH2 having a lone pair of electron, and this NH2 group is the plus R effect. This is plus R effect, means the electron pair disperses toward this carbon when this electron disperses at this carbon. So what would be the next resonating structure? This is formations of double bond between N and carbon and having a positive charge at the nitrogen center. Why? Because the lone pair of electron disperses toward the carbon center of the benzene, and this pi electron disperses here, so it becomes negative charge, and the rest is as remain. Again, this pi electron disperses at this para positions, formations of the new resonating structures. This is negative charge and double bond NH2. Further, this pi electron disperses here and formations of the new resonating structure. This is double bond NH2 plus, and this is negative charge and this is bond. So you will see due to the lone pair of dispersions of the lone pair of electron at the benzene center, ortho and para positions having the greater electron density and meta having the positive charge in all these cases. So why the basicity of anilines are lower than the aniline is lower than the aliphatic amine, just like RNH2 or even to the ammonia NH3. So their basicity will depend only on the positions which can donate the lone pair of electron. Here the resonance hybrid structure of the aniline is, this is NH2, this is positive charge, and negative charge disperses all over ortho, para and ortho positions. So in case of aliphatic amine, you will see at the nitrogen center, this is the electron donor group is present, which increase the electron density at the nitrogen center, and it can donate the electron very easily to an electron deficient species. In case of ammonia, there is no electron donor group, but this electron has the greater density at the nitrogen center, and can also donate electron very easily to an electron deficient species like the proton, H plus ion. So their basicity. However, in case of the aniline, you will see that the nitrogen due to resonance structure possesses the positive charge. So when the nitrogen is already positive charge, how it can donate the electron? It is already electron deficient, so donation tendency will also be decreases and the basicity will also be decreases. So this is the reason, due to presence of this phenyl group at the nitrogen, it get electron from the nitrogen toward the benzene center and nitrogen become electron deficient. So whenever electron or nitrogen is already electron deficient, it cannot donate electron easily. So their basic character is lower as compared to the aliphatic amine as well as the ammonia. Is it clear? Due to presence of the benzene ring in aniline, it can accept the electron through the resonance structure toward the benzene center and the nitrogen become positively charged. So nitrogen is already electron deficient, so it tries to get the electron, not the donate the electron. So the donation tendency decreases, means basicity decreases. So this is the difference between the basic character of the aromatic amines and the aliphatic amine. So aliphatic amine as well as ammonia both have higher basic character as compared to the aromatic amines like the anilines. Get clear? Now we discuss about the effect of substituent on the basic character of the aromatic amines as well as the substituent at the ortho para positions affected the basic character of the anilines. So next one, the effect of substituent on the basicity of the anilines or amines. Effect of substituent on the basicity of aromatic amines. Effect of substituent on the basicity of aromatic amine. There are two types of group. First you see here, this is the aniline, this is NH2. There are two types of group. If the aniline present any group G like the electron which drawing group, EWG group. EWG group like the NO2, cyano, COH, X halogen, etc. So when this group is present at the benzene center, it gets the electron from the benzene toward itself, showing minus R effect. As well as the group is get the electron from this carbon, it has higher I effect, so it becomes the minus I effect. So both the functions causes whenever any electron with diene group present at the benzene center, and it decrease the density of the benzene ring. Is it clear? It get the electron here, so this carbon become positively, get the electron from here, it become positively, now it get electron, it become positively, so electron disperses this side. So electron disperses toward the benzene center whenever the electron with diene group present at the benzene center, so their donation tendency decreases because the nitrogen become positively charged, so it cannot donate the lone pair of electron to an electron deficient species, so their basic character decreases. So one thing is clear, if any electron with diene group, first conclusion, if any electron with diene group present at benzene center of aromatic amine decreases the basic character of amine, amines. One thing is very clear, if an electron with diene group present at the benzene center of the aromatic amines, it tend to decrease the electron density from the benzene center, and nitrogen become positively charged due to donations of electron toward the benzene side. So whenever electron become positively charged, it cannot donate electron easily. Already electron deficient, their basic character decreases. So electron with dyne group like the nitro group, cyano group, COS, X present at the benzene center, it decreases the basic character. Later we discuss the effect on the ortho, meta and para positions. So there are two factors positive whenever the electron with dyne group present at the benzene center. Which two factors? Minus R effect as well as the minus I effect. Means minus I effect group present at the benzene center, it decreases the basicity of the aromatic amines. Another group is the electron donor group. Whenever electron donor group present at the benzene center, just like in this way, this is NH2, a group is present at the benzene center, this is the electron donor group, EDG group, just like methyl group, methoxy group, NH2 group, etc. So this group is present here, it donates the electron, this is the, it shows the plus I effect, as well as the hyperconjugation. Both factors are responsible for the higher basic character. So it donates the electron toward the benzene center. So whenever the benzene center is electron denser, so there is no need to get the electron to this side. The electron of lone pair of electron of nitrogen disperses toward the benzene in case whenever the benzene becomes the electron deficient due to regenerative structure. If any electron donor group present at the benzene center, what will happen? It donates the electron toward the benzene center, benzene become electron denser. So there is no need to get the electron toward the carbon side of the nitrogen electron. So it can easily donate the electron and their basic character is increases. So second point is, if any electron donor group, present at the benzene center of aromatic amine, at the benzene center of aromatic amines increases the basic character, increases the basic characters, increases the basic character. So one thing is very clear, that the basicity of any amines or nitro compound depend upon the electron donation tendency present at the nitrogen atoms. So in case of aromatic amines, any electron with dyne group present which decreases the basic character of aromatic amines. If in case electron donor group is present, it increases the basic character of amines. So later we will discuss about the effect of substance at the different position, ortho, meta and para position. So first we are taking the effect of electron donor group. The basicity of aromatic amine, the basicity of aromatic amines in presence of electron donor group. In presence of electron donor group. Just like we are taking the examples of toluidine. Toluidine, the effect is shown here. That is NH2 and the CH3 group. This is toluidine. So you will see here this CH3 group show two effect whenever it present at the para positions. Which two effect? This is the plus I effect as well as the hyperconjugations. You will see here this carbon, similarly you can write in this way, H, H and H. Whenever electron disperses this side, become negative and become positive. So this carbon due to presence of 3 proton, 3H, it get the electron here and donate the electron. This carbon become the positively charged. So there is no need to get the electron from the nitrogen atom. So 3 times it donate the electron at the benzene center whenever it is present at the para positions. See very carefully. It is very important to understand what is the effect of the substituent at the ortho, meta and para position. Whenever electron donor group present at the para position, so 2 types of effect, plus I effect and the hyperconjugation. So when this electron disperses, this side become negative at the meta position and this carbon become positive. So whenever it positive, this carbon disperses electron toward this carbon. So electron disperses from toward the carbon side, this shows the plus I effect. And as well as by getting the electron of this hydrogen, it shows the hyperconjugation effect. So there are 2 effect causes at the para position. This is the reason the para toluidine is more basic as compared to the meta toluidine. In case of the meta toluidine, you will see here, just like electron donor group like the methyl group present at the meta positions. So it show only plus I effect, no hyperconjugations. No hyperconjugations. So only plus I effect shown means electron density also increases, but only the plus I effect, not hyperconjugation or resonance stabilized. So because it has positive charge, so it cannot hyperconjugate it. So this is the reason the meta toluidine is less basic and than the para toluidine, because para toluidine show both effect, plus I effect as well as the hyperconjugation. However, in case of the meta position, the plus I effect is shown only, not the hyperconjugation at the meta positions. So exert its a hyperconjugation effect, but at the plus I effect from the meta positions. So this is the reason the meta toluidine is less basic as compared to the para. Now we are coming on the ortho positions. So in case of ortho position, the basicity of aromatic amines decreases. The basicity of aromatic amines decreases either the electron donor group present or the electron withdrawing group present. Either electron donor group present, electron donor group, or electron withdrawing group present. It is due to the ortho effect. Regardless, it is due to ortho effect. You know that ortho effect is simply the steric hindrance as well as the this is the steric hindrance. Due to this region, the ortho effect show at the ortho position. This is the region, regardless to the nature of the substituent, either it is electron withdrawing group or electron donor group. In both the cases, their basicity is lower as compared to the anilines. Keep in mind, at the para position, higher basicity due to the plus I effect and the hyperconjugation than the meta position, and in case of ortho position, either the electron donor group or electron withdrawing group present, their basicity is lower as compared to the aniline. Why? Due to the ortho effect. So this is the steric hindrance causes at the ortho effect. Due to this region, there is less basic character as compared to aniline. So what is the basicity order in case of the ortho toluidine? Toluidine. So basicity order of toluidine. Basicity order of toluidine So para-toluidine NH2 is more basic than the meta-toluidine NH2 CH3 at meta position is greater than aniline NH2 is greater than ortho-toluidine NH2 CH3. This is the basicity order of the toluidine. Ortho position, regardless to the nature of the substituent, either it has the electron with dying group or electron with dying group or electron donor group. In both the cases, their basic character or basicity is lower than the aniline. And the para will have the plus I effect as well as hyperconjugation, so it has higher basic character. Here is only the plus I effect, no hyperconjugation effect shown. So this has the lower basic character as compared to the para positions, and the aniline is greater, followed by the ortho-toluidine. Another examples we are taking, just like in case of the paraphenyl phenylyl diamines. Phenylyl diamines, just like here NH2 group present another NH2 group. This is the also electron donor group at the para positions. So it has higher basic character as compared to the meta position. This is NH2, and NH2 is greater than aniline is greater than ortho. Ortho have the lower basic character. NH2 and NH2. So this is phenylyl diamine. Phenylyl diamine. This is paraphenyl diamine, phenylyl diamine, aniline, and the orthophenyl diamine. So this is the basic character whenever the electron donor group present at the ortho, meta, and para position. Now we discuss about the effect of substituent in case of the electron with dying group present at the aromatic amines. Effect of substituent. Second, effect of substituent that is electron with dying group on the basicity of, or you can say effect of electron with dying group on the basicity of the aromatic amines. Effect of electron with dying group on the basicity of aromatic amines. So in case of the, just like nitroaniline, we are taking examples. Nitroanilines. So when nitroaniline, just like meta-nitroaniline, have greater basic character as compared to the, that is the para nitroanilines, NH2 and NO2, because both factor affecting here. This is minus R effect as well as the minus I effect. Here is only minus I effect, not the minus R effect. So it decreases less electron density at benzene center as compared to the para. Both the factor is affected here. So the aniline NH2 have greater electricity as compared to meta and then para, and very less in case of the ortho. This is ortho nitroaniline. So doesn't matter which group present at the ortho position, their basic character is always lower as compared to the aniline. So you know that if an electron with dyne group present at the benzene center of aromatic amine, it always tend to decrease the electron density at the benzene center, and donation tendency of lone pair of electron by the nitrogen atom decreases, and it is more affected at the which position? Ortho position, then para, and the very less in case of the meta. So this is the reason aniline is greater than basic character greater than meta nitroaniline, is greater than para nitroaniline, is greater than the ortho nitroanilines. So this is the effect of substituent on the basic character of the aromatic amine in case of electron donor group as well as in case of electron with dyne group. Now we will discuss about the basic character of N-alkyl amines. Effect of substituent on N-alkyl amines. Effect of substituent on N-alkyl amine. So you will see here, just like in case of the CH3 and HCH3. So this nitrogen have the 2 electron donor group, N-alkyl, and having alkyl group, have the greater basic character as compared to CH3 primary amines and H2. So here only 1 electron donor group present at the benzene center, it 3 times only increase the electron density, and here there are 6 times increase the electron density. So which will have the more donation tendency of lone pair of electron? Obviously clear that having the 2 electron donor group is greater than the NH3 ammonia. So this is the way to write the basic character of N-alkyl or N-substituted alkyl group. You will see here. And however, in case of the electron with dyne group present at the benzene center, means nitrogen is bonded to the electron with dyne group. So what will happen in the basic character? So electron with dyne group decrease the electron density at the benzene center and decreases their basic character. For example, just like just like in this case, you will see this is the phenyl group is treated with phenyl group is taken as examples, just like aniline C6H5NH2. This is aniline. Here is only the electron density is disperses toward this side. This is aniline is greater than, if any nitrogen having, by replacing one hydrogen, any electron with dyne group present, just like phenyl group is present, C6H5NH and the C6H5. So it also get the electron, decreases electron density at the nitrogen atom. So here is very less electron density as compared to this. So this is the reason this is called the diphenylamine, and simply phenylamine and diphenylamine. So diphenylamine has the lower basic character as compared to the aniline, and the triphenylamines, just like C6H5 and is C6H5 and the C6H5. So 3 electron with dyne group present at this nitrogen atom and decreases the electron density in greater extent as compared to the diphenyl and the aniline. So the basic order in this case, aniline is greater than diphenyl, amine is greater than the triphenylamines. This is triphenylamine. So this is the basic character of the aliphatic amines and the aromatic amines. Comparison, we have discussed about the basicity of the aliphatic amines and the aromatic amines as well as to the ammonia, and we have also discussed about the effect of substituent like the electron with dyne group or electron donor group at the benzene center of the aromatic amines. In both the cases we have discussed, as well as we have discussed the basicity of an alkyl amine in both the cases, electron donor or electron with dyne effect. So this is the basicity of the amine.